This is mortar and pestle. I am crushing flour with the mortar and pestle. Dash stem to cut unwanted part. DI. Now I am scraping the carrot. This is peeler. Now I am peeling carrot with the peeler. These are carrot peels. Now I am slicing the carrot. These all are carrot slices. I am cutting the orange. There are two parts of orange. I am removing orange seeds. I am squeezing the orange. This is orange juice. I am pouring orange juice into the glass. I am rinsing the oranges. I am peeling the orange. These all are orange peels. These all separate pieces of orange called juice sac or segment. I am separating all the segments. This is grater. Now I am grating beetroot with the help of grater. I am shredding the cabbage. It means to separate all the cabbage layers. Now I am chopping the pumpkin. I am mincing the green chili. If you really liked this video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my more videos.